Why being a fitness entrepreneur is the best job in the world.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.
Today I'm going to tell you why, in my opinion, being a fitness entrepreneur is one of the best jobs in the world. But first, you want to go for a walk? Walk! Come on, let's go. If you're new to the channel, I encourage you to hit that subscribe and bell notification so you can be the first to start implementing the information I teach you in my videos. Now, a lot of you might already know that I used to work a few different 9-to-5 jobs, and while they all taught me valuable lessons, I never felt the desire to improve in that field. And if I did, it was out of fear of losing my job. I didn't like the idea of working hard for someone else's dreams, and I certainly didn't like being told what to do. It felt like my life was controlled by someone else, and my life was on autopilot. So it was time to make a change. So I decided to do outdoor personal training, and I loved it because I was passionate about it, but also because I could work for myself, and it gave me the time to focus on other endeavors in life like fitness modeling, acting, social media influencing, brand ambassadorship. But now I was working with like-minded people. The energy was infectious, and most of the work I'd do would be either at the start or the end of the day. So I'd have the middle of the day off, which meant I could go to the beach, meet new people, get life admin tasks done so much more easily because I wouldn't be trying to find a park, waiting in queues. So haircuts, grocery shopping, they just became so much more simplistic and time efficient. And it now gave me another reason, or should I say another form of motivation, to stay in shape. So to put in context where I am now compared to how the video just started, we're going to make that happen now. But first we're going to tee up with my brother and wingman, Anthony from Driven by Vision. And let's do it.
Shoot some guns.
Shoot some guns.
Question is, which guns are bigger, their guns or ours?
That's it, man. And I know for some of you might even think that this lifestyle is unobtainable. But I need to tell you that I've been in your shoes and I understand the struggles that you're going through. Maybe you don't have the body or the confidence to get into this industry, but that's what phase 1 is all about in my program. Or maybe you're a PT just grinding away and thinking there's no way out of this. I've got bills to pay, I've got all this stuff I'm committed to. But that's what phase 2 is about, is creating that online fitness business, leveraging social media, marketing, all that sort of stuff. Or maybe you have all of this. You've got all of this, but you're unhappy in life. That's what that is what phase 3 is all about, is creating that life, creating that lifestyle, being happy, and just having unlimited abundance. And that's us done for the shooting, and now we're down here at beautiful Malabar Beach. If you are ever in Sydney, be sure to check this place out. And if you're interested in where we were shooting at, it's called Hitting Targets at Cecil Park. And I'll have your next tip in a second, but guys, can you see, just right down there, can you see that thumbs up button? Yeah, give it a big thumbs up for us if you've liked the video so far.
Who's this crackhead?
Alright, so we dropped my brother, let's see if we can do this, Anthony home. Now we're off to pick up without crashing into the wall. My other brother, biological brother, to go for another swim at Maroubra and catch some waves this time. So let's do it. And another reason why I think being a fitness entrepreneur is one of the best jobs in the world is because I don't get FOMO. And if you're unfamiliar with what FOMO is, it's a fear of missing out. Now bear with me, this is going somewhere. Here he is, the biological brother.
Belong in videos! Yeah! With the muss!
Oh man, it's so loud.
With
I'm gonna have to
the
do
muss,
so
bro!
much editing for that. Can you believe it? Look at us, biological brothers.
It's sexy as a motherfucker.
Let's do it! So, coming back to my point, can any of you relate to when the weekend comes and you either don't have plans, have no one to go out with, or just can't go out, and fear of missing out kicks in, or FOMO? Alright, I know what that feeling feels like, but I can't remember the last time I felt it. Because as a fitness entrepreneur, you always have something to do with your time. And for me, pursuing my purpose is a lot more important than just going out for the sake of going out. And I work Saturday night, so I don't really feel the need to go out. But if I want to, I'll just take the night off, but on my own terms. And lastly, being a fitness entrepreneur has honestly given me the financial freedom to go on adventures like we did today, to do things that I want to do, and just enjoy life more and learn more about it. And we're done for the night. And now you know exactly why I think being a fitness entrepreneur is one of the best jobs in the world. So if you're interested in becoming one, a good start would be downloading my free ebook. And if you're interested, there'll be a link in the description. Other than that, I was going to say something else, but now I've completely forgotten. Do you know? Do you know what I was going to say? That's what I was going to say. If you want to join a group of like-minded people, or fitness entrepreneurs, should I say, I've just started a new Facebook group, and if you have any questions, feel free to slide into the DMs on Instagram and hit me up. Till next time. So bye!